What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazz, and we're just gonna jump right ahead into this tutorial. So the night before, I just co-washed and reconditioned my co-washed and retwist my hair. So I'm just taking down those clips from that retwist. Then I'm just going in with this wild growth hair oil. Y'all, like, this has my dreads sprouting. Like, for real. I've been using it off and on like this whole year that I've been locked, and it's really been showing my dreads. Like, they're really growing, they're really locked. Like, your girl is smelling it. Then I'm just going to put my hair in the direction of the style that I wanted to go in after, massaging it all that oil. So since I am going for a side swoop, I'm just going to push all of those dreads to the other side. And then I'm going to go in with some spray oil and moisturize the dreads that are going to be left out on the side. And this oil is from Aunt Jackie's, and I got it from my local beauty supply. I do have the entire Aunt Jackie's line, so comment below if you want me to do a review on that, because I do use it for me and my daughter's hair as well. She's not locked, she's natural, but I use it for her hair as well. And so after clipping my hair to the side, I'm just going to start at the bottom and then just flat twist those dreads over. And they're all just going to push to the side of my head. So I'm going to repeat this from the bottom to the top, and then I'm going to come back to you guys once I'm on about the last twist or so. So now we are coming up on the last one or two twists, and again, I'm just regular single twisting those over to the side of my head, crossing each dread over to the other one and to the direction of the hair that's going to be left out. I am so happy to be 1 year locked. Like, this is the most amazing journey I've ever been on as far as my hair goes. Like, I'm so excited to see what they'll look like as they grow. Like, each day they change. Some days I like them and some days I don't. But I mean, that all comes with it at the end of the day. Like, they're never going to be perfect, even though I do try to be a perfectionist. This is like something that it'll never be perfect, and I love that. So, happy 1 year anniversary to me. So this style took me about 20 minutes just to style it, and it's really simple, it's really cute. And if you like more videos like this, make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I'll see my loves in my next video.